Hello friends, you're welcome back to our video tonight. So I want to show you how to get ton tokens, TONcoin, by buying it through P2P on Telegram wallet. P2P on Telegram wallet. You can do P2P in any exchange. You can do P2P in any exchange, but for some of us, already you have a Telegram wallet. So I want to show you how you can buy it. So that's exactly what this video is all about. So this is a Telegram. So all you need to do is to go to this place. Yes, you see the top left area there. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see wallet. Click on wallet and open it. Now it's opening. Wallet is opening. It's okay. At this point, you're going to see all of this: send, airdrop, exchange, P2P. So go to P2P. But I want to tell you this: if you are just using wallet for the first time, you've not verified certain things, you can't use P2P. So even if you are going to do points and the system requires you to do some verification, please follow through and fill in the verification before you continue. So I go to P2P. What I'm going to give you in this video is a snapshot, because since I'm not going to buy now, so I'm not going. This video may not get to where it ought to get, but I will guide you on what to expect. So at this point, I want to buy, and I'm not selling. So I'm going to click on buy. When I click on buy, now you can see ton here. This is ton. Remember, you can. It's not only ton you can buy, but what is here now is ton. That's where you are seeing this. You can see ton is what is here. You are buying with Nigerian naira, because for those of us who are Nigerian, if you are buying with another currency, maybe from another country, click inside here. You can see different currencies here lined up. Kenya, whatever. There are so many of them. You're going to see them, euro and all that. But remember, I am buying with Nigerian naira. And another thing, I want to buy ton. If I want to buy another coin, I can buy USDT, BTC, TONcoin, dog, hamster. So you can see people are selling all of this. I think nobody's selling hamster for now, but people are selling dog, selling TONcoin directly. But I want to buy ton. That's exactly. So that's why ton is here. So what you are seeing now, I want to show you something. Even though this person here had a cheaper price, but it's no longer available, so you cannot buy. If you are not seeing this buy being active, you can buy from the person. Now this is the next price. Why watching the price? Because if you go further back down here, you see some people selling higher prices. You're going to even see 18,000, I think so. Some people are selling as far. I look at 19,000 naira. Someone is selling 1 ton for 19,000 naira. He has made 2 trades. Currently, this one is selling 19,000. He has made over 1,532 trades. People are buying. So don't say, how can somebody buy? People are buying it. If you want to buy it for cheaper and nobody's selling, you're going to buy. So that's why if you want to buy this stuff, stop arguing. Go and buy. And this is going to be going higher and higher. Now, let me show you what you need to consider too when you are buying this. Let's say for this instance now, this person has made 3,315 trades and it has 100% review. People are saying all the people that he purchased, bought from him, the trade went successfully well. That is 100%. And now you're also going to consider this man currently have 47.386 ton remaining. I tell you, it may come the next minute, it should no longer be so, because people are buying. Now, this man is also telling you that if you are using Nigerian naira to buy, you can only buy something from him the minimum of 7,000 naira to maximum of 482,630 naira, 35 kobo. That is wonderful. If I'm to buy now, I would like to buy from this guy. And he say you can only pay through Palm Pay. And these are, when it comes to P2P, make sure you are paying through all these systems that are easy. Instant transfer, Palm Pay, OPay, Money Points. If you are using all this GT Bank, First Bank, and that's where you want to pay, that's why some of these merchants, they don't agree to that. You can pay with that money. Remember, you have 10 minutes or so to conclude trade. It might take You might send money to GT or through GT. The next day, throughout today, you will see the money. There will be no confirmation. And if the person has not confirmed anything, even if you drop receipts, the person must confirm on his own side that he has received it. If not, you lost it. You can't, release the coin to you. So this is very, very important. You see, this person now, we are just talking about now, this first person here is no longer available. It's no longer available. What you are seeing now could be that he has just finished selling this. It's no longer available. It's no longer there. Now, this person is on. He has made 137 trades. So you are considering this. One, how many available? So what quantity, amount can I buy from 7,000 to 307,000 bank transfer? Once you open. So at this moment, let me just open one for you to see. Let me assume I want to buy from, okay, this is also my food dog. He placed 2 of this. Let me assume I want to buy from Night Guru. Paying with Palm Pay. I click on buy. Now, I want to put the amount of, I want to buy in Naira format. I'm going to type, let me say I just want to buy a ton of 20K. Please, it's better you put your money in round number. Don't ever bring anything like coin or something 145 Naira. Please, I mean, okay, that's or something like 143 Naira there. Please put it in a rounded figure, something like this. So if I buy a ton of 20,000 Naira from this, I'll be getting 1.94 whatever tons. You can see that it's clearly written. So what do I need to do? I'm going to read the ads details. This person says I should read. Look at it. You must read this. I am 247 active to confirm and release the order. 1. While sending this money, don't write anything crypto-related word in the payment narration. If you do it, you are gone. Pay attention to these details. I guarantee first transaction. Be patient while your order is being confirmed. Chat me before raising any disputes. Happy trading. If you put up a trade and the person have not responded, don't go to, because the system will be showing you start a dispute. Don't just click this way and start shouting. The first time I was guiding a lady to buy from here, immediately, it didn't take long, she was already calling them scammer. I said, hey, I said, how you conclude scammer? I said, no, we're not doing scam here. So let it not be immediately you send money and you think that your coin will drop or the person will start out immediately. He has not started charging. He say, hey, scammer, you raise up a dispute. No. First of all, go chat the person and still wait for that 10 minutes and all that and wait. You understand? And that's what the person say here. Happy, whatever. Now, if I think that I'm not clear, I want to buy this. Sorry. Okay. If I now feel that, okay, I want to buy this, all I'm going to do is what? I click on buy. Now, once I click on buy, if I click and I can cancel it, I don't want to do canceling trades because it's going to affect my rating. But let me do this for you. Let me click on buy now, for instance. Now, watch it. Creating order. Seller must confirm the order within 10 minutes after creation. I've created this order now, but the seller needs to confirm this order. Why? Okay, I'm about creating the order. I've not even created it. Look at the create order. Now everything is written here. Once I'm done with this, I feel okay. I'm cool with this. Look at the seller name, Night Guru and all that. This is not the account name where I'm going to pay this money. You are not seeing it yet. Now, once I click on create order, I will still wait for the seller to confirm order. You will see under the status that I've created order. Then this same information will still be reading here. The seller must confirm the order within 10 minutes. If after 10 minutes the seller failed to confirm the order, well, no problem, I've not lost money, nothing has happened. So don't be afraid of that. But once I click on create order now, you are going to see that start chatting and also raise a dispute. You understand? So in that case, once I watch here and the system tells me seller has confirmed order, because once the seller confirms order, it's going to be written here. At that moment, I will now start chatting. The truth is that, okay, at that moment, everything will be open to me. I'll be able to see where to make this payment. How will I get it? I click inside this place again and go into my wallet messages. This wallet, you will now see inside messages the account, because the seller has confirmed the order, at that moment the seller's account detail will be released inside wallet message. Once you see it, meanwhile your order is open and you are going to see something like where you see create order. Now what you are going to see are made payments there. You don't click it until you go and make payments. Once you now go to wallets area messages and copy the details of where you're going to pay the money, go straight to your PalmPay or whatever. Use PalmPay, don't use all this Nigerian whatever. Make payments, meaning once you made the payments and you know you have made it, save that particular payment slip or your receipts. Then come where you have a made payment and click on pay payments. When you click on it, go to the chat of the same chat with the person and that submit that receipt and send and see wait. Ordinarily, once you've done that, you can go to sleep, your account must be released. But if you want to still be waiting and waiting, no problem. As you wait, the truth is that the system is so transparent. People don't normally, that's why you see these people, you need to read the review. That person, if he has 100% or 98 or 99, you know, you are very sure that you are dealing with the right persons. Are you getting it? So at that moment, once it's fully confirmed, you're going to see the system will tell you your account has been received. And you're going to see, once you check your balance, you discover you have received that coin. That's exactly the way to buy this. I'm still going to prepare a video on this, and I'm going to prepare a comprehensive video when I'm about to buy this token. Any day I want to buy this, I'll prepare a very comprehensive video so that those who can't understand fully what I've just done here now, you can really understand it. I know from to the point I just stopped, some people can understand. It's okay, they can try it. But if you are the type that is scared, you know, you are scared, let me my money not miss, then wait for my video, because within this coming week, I'm going to make some ton transactions, P2P. So once I'm doing that, I'm going to prepare a real video, live video. You see from the beginning to the end how it works. So that's exactly how we're going to go about it. But follow this, you can learn something from here. I'm going to stop at this point. If you are new to this channel, please do wait to subscribe. And don't forget to like this video and hit that notification bell as well, so that as we release the follow-up videos, you are going to get the updates immediately. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this tutorial video in your crypto community so that others can benefit. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.